How AI automates entire departments is no longer science fiction, it is the present reality in companies you use daily, often invisibly. From customer service and marketing to finance, HR, and operations, artificial intelligence now runs complete workflows that once demanded teams of dozens. The key insight: companies rarely automate individual jobs. They automate processes. Departments consist of repeatable, rule-based workflows that break into clear steps, prime targets for AI. Rather than replacing people one at a time, AI dismantles the old systems that made those roles essential. Customer service showcases this shift most vividly. Advanced chatbots and agentic AI systems handle thousands of interactions at once, answering routine queries, processing refunds, resetting passwords, and escalating only truly complex cases. What required large call center teams now runs with a lean oversight group. As accuracy climbs and agentic capabilities mature, entire support departments shrink dramatically. Marketing follows suit. AI now generates ad copy, creates visuals, analyzes audience data, schedules campaigns, and optimizes in real time. One integrated system replaces siloed teams for content, analytics, and media buying. Human marketers pivot from execution to high-level strategy, enabling smaller, more agile departments. Finance and accounting see similar transformation. AI processes invoices, tracks expenses, detects fraud, forecasts cash flow, and produces reports with almost no manual input. Tasks that once spent days now finish in minutes. Routine accounting headcount drops, while demand grows for strategic analysts who oversee and interpret high outputs. Human resources is evolving rapidly too. AI screens resumes, ranks candidates, schedules interviews, automates onboarding, monitors performance, and fields employee queries via internal chat agents. Large administrative teams give way to compact groups focused on culture, policy, talent strategy, and complex resolutions. Operations and logistics have accelerated fastest. AI manages inventory, predicts demand, optimizes supply chains, and coordinates deliveries. In warehouses and factories, it pairs with robotics for scheduling, predictive maintenance, and quality control. Human coordination yields to algorithmic precision. The real power emerges from integration. AI connects data across silos, sales insights instantly inform inventory, customer patterns reshape marketing, financial forecasts adjust staffing. This creates feedback loops at speeds and scales impossible for humans alone. That's why the change feels so disruptive. It reshapes organizational structure itself. Departments downsize, job titles vanish, hierarchies flatten, decisions accelerate. For workers, it can arrive abruptly. For companies, it's a competitive edge. Yet AI still relies on humans. Systems must be designed, trained, monitored, fine-tuned, and ethically guided. AI excels at execution. People supply judgment, creativity, context, and accountability. Remaining roles aren't smaller, they're higher leverage. The greatest risk isn't total job loss, but skills mismatch. Workers skilled only in routine tasks high now masters are most exposed. Those who grasp workflows, systems thinking, and strategic oversight become indispensable. As AI, especially agentic and multi-agent systems advances, more departments will follow this path. Not suddenly, but relentlessly. Early adopting companies gain massive efficiency and cost advantages. Early adapting workers gain security and opportunity. The future isn't job extinction, it's reorganization. Work evolves. The decisive question isn't whether AI will transform your field. It's whether you'll recognize the shift soon enough to thrive in it. In an era where AI orchestrates systems, human value shines in what machines can't replicate: insight, ethics, innovation, and the vision to lead change.